Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. There are top 4 products on Amazon. LED flame table lamp. There are 5 types of this product. It is a LED flame atmosphere speaker lamp. Portable wireless speaker, connected with your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, compatible with all Bluetooth compatible devices, with 5 watts high power speaker, excellent stereo sound and powerful bass. Make you enjoy the wonderful music. Enjoy clear audio with impressive volume powered by 5-watt drivers. Hear the soaring highs and deep lows of all your favorite tracks. Instantly connect your phone or tablet from up to 33 feet away. Speaker automatically reconnects to the last device used. Perfect for girl, boyfriend, perfect for students in dorms, party goers at celebrations. Second product is solar sun and moon lights. Garden lights, solar powered, can decor garden and at night bright. The moon garden lights for garden, tent, camping, yard decor are composed of sun-shaped decorative lamp and 2 flame-shaped decorative lamps. Garden and patio decor, 3 light can inserted into the lawn form a beautiful landscape. Spread a lawn and garden moon decor, solar energy is endless. The core parts have passed CE and Roche certification. If you are not satisfied with the solar light or the received solar lights don't work, please contact us. We will replace the goods for you or refund your purchase price. Third product is solar-powered fence post light. The best solar fence lights are decorative and bright enough in lighting the walkway. The fence lighting integrated an intelligent output circuit. Comes with an adapter. Suitable for all standard posts that are 4x4 inch, 6x6 inch, or any larger flat surface. Built-in photocell sensor that automatically turns on the lights at dusk and turns off at dawn. We've worked hard to build the best solar lights that deliver great value. Our customer care team are happy to help. And fourth product is last product in this video. LED headlamps flashlight. Cob floodlight mode offers 160 degrees broad beam for short distances. Cree technology provides widespread light with less power used, resulting in 8 hours of runtime. Powered by 3200 mAh 18650 batteries, included, and conveniently charges via USB charging cable within approximately 7-8 hours. Camping headlamp is rated as IPX4 grade to protect against spray water in any direction. Package include 1X headlamp, 1X USB charging cable, no charger, 2x18650 battery, 1X user manual. Buy and ship it out now. Thanks for watching this video.